Tesla. I don't know if it was a speed. It's a Tesla. They usually speed. So usually when you see a Tesla in an open road, it's electric, it's gun, and you won't even be able to tell. That hoe be flexing on your booty hole. This is an OG song. I need to pull up somewhere. I know there's a rider there, but if I ride too fast, I won't be able to hear a tune sheet. You swag and you surf. Bitch, I'm bad, I'm worse, I pass. The perp don't fuck with me, cause right now I'm higher than Kev. Till Kirk, I swear I be the sickest. You can ask the nurse, and if she throw it in the bag, I bet I snatch her purse. Okay, I spaz, I curse, you last. I'm first, I'm on your ass. I can't hear him, I wanna go with him. Your money, motherfucker, and you need really wonder when you read a thing. Well, ain't it sunny in the summer, and we coming for the comers. Till my blood's cold red, and you know how we play. And if it costs to be the boss, well then I guess I gotta pay. Fuck around like I'm 30 feet tall. Tiger Woods on these hoes, trying to birdie these balls. In a Porsche 911 like emergency calls. I wish I could photobomb him right now. Wheelie right up to him, that small little... Hey, it's you again. Wheelie into that small little gap. Just pop that wheelie up in that hole. You go your ass and search. I smash this verse. I swag and surf. Tunchi. What up, cuh? Young blood. I think I wasn't spinning. That's for final. I know that song. Like I mishear some lyrics, but like it's hard because I want to rap with them, not ahead of them or behind them. But I did mess up a lot of stuff, and a lot of words are hard to say because my cheeks are squeezed. So like I try to say things that are in a cute and cuddly way, but I cannot. Oh, dodge that hoe. You saw that bird? I dodged that hoe. Hey, where the rider go at? Where the rider at, homie? You pulling up on me or what? He was right behind me. That hoe disappeared. What up, young cuh? I turn an average girl into a pop star. Future. Oh my God. Lord have mercy on me, man. Like, Hayabusa. Hayabusa. Problem with Future is sometimes that homie be, lipping it a little too easily. Cuh, I would have pulled it out like nobody business. If there's like an award for parallel parking over here, give it to me. Never have I had 2 attempts. I pulled that hole perfectly. You didn't see it? Perfectly. Perfectly. You, what is it? You're not a wifey? I can't fall in love with no hoe. Again, is it necessary to really degrade a woman like that? Just say, you're not my type. Something like that, you know what I mean? Cop, la policia? No. Young blood. Say key. Say key. The same Ducati guy. He rolling out all blacked out. This Lexus moved to the side for me so I can lane sleep, but he didn't need to. He not to need to. I sound fresh, right? You know, like them olden folks. And not into need to. Like he didn't need to. What is that, a Grom, a monkey? I didn't mean the guy, like I meant the bike. Oh, something about rap, it makes you feel a type of way, man. It makes you feel a goddamn type of way. Like nothing else compares to it. You want to feel like a gangster? I'm not putting on no Kenny G. That's for love making. But I'm like, when it comes down to, especially when you live that thug life, like I do, it resonates within you. No. But like something about rap, man, it's just hip-hop, rap, like R&B's kind of there, but not really. But like hip-hop, rap, something like that, he didn't know what the hell I was doing with my helmet. There's no proper to see over there. I just knew he wasn't the kind of guy who waved. So at the very least, I told him there's a cop there just to ruin his day. Oh, say keep what up, dog? Old white guy and a young cuh, young blood. I'm playing. This is Mexico. There's no racism here. We love them all. We F them all. I'm mumbling about that kid's eardrums out. As soon as I said it, as soon as I was thinking and I was gonna say it, I was like saying, "Bad boy, do not do that. Bad boy, do not do that." But I still said it, and now I'm gonna apologize for it because that shows you that I'm a big booty man. I got hoes in the dock. I got my homie living across the street, Little Lars, that guy right there. He's smashing them all. And he's surfing it up. What about a little elf in your backside? Is what she calls me. Little elf in my backside, man. Oh, I thought he was gonna run the light. I was about to say, man, you got someone you really need to be, huh? Run that hole. Still on the top. I'm not scared of the drop. I'm pretty sure you say he's scared of the drop, but I'm not gonna say that. I'm not scared of no drop. Still at the bottom and not scared of the top. How about that? That's more of an accurate representation of us. I take my money and I take my bikes to my grave. Shorty, ain't nobody seeing that, dog. What up, cuh? You don't need to wait for me to wave. You can wave to me and I can reciprocate that. Reciprocate. I can't say my cheeks are squeezed. I don't know if this is La Policia or not. So we're just gonna chill out. We're gonna take in the scenery. Yeah, I don't know if that is La Policia or not. That's a cop if I ever seen one. She gave me the finger, or she gave me the... She went like that to me. Why did she go like that to me? I mean, she wanted that bad. She don't even give an F. Yeah, I think it's a cop. It could be a cop. It's a Hellcat, though. I'm not gonna bite. The dude saw me, was like, hell no, I ain't doing it. Cops can't have Hellcats, right? That can't be a thing. What up, cuh? What up, cuh? Buy me a drink if you're gonna look at me like that. Why did you turn, though? He saw me and he was like, you know what? If I cross the street, I won't be able to look some more. For the small portion, his back is gonna be turned to me. You could have just walked backwards, but instead he said, nah. And him and his dog both want to look at me, which I respect. His Hellcat might blaze, but again, I don't know if it's La Policia or not. When I die, put my money in the grave. See, I don't know if it's La Policia or not. I feel like I'm being recorded. Yeah, I feel like I'm being recorded by these hoes. He saw me, I had to give him some love. There was a dude on there, oh my god, it smells like ass. It's probably that kid. That's why he was staring at me. He was like, I hope this guy doesn't smell it. Damn it, he smelled it too. This is what was going through his mind, his brain. Eyelash in the eye! Eyelash in the eye! Blink it out, homie. Blink it out, blink it out. Say key, move. Haters talking a whole lot of sun. There was a Lambo that was parked there. I was making loops and God was like, you know what? Clap the cheeks. Clap the cheeks. He hides over there, La Policia, right there. I was coming back this way. He also was coming out. And I give him the look. You know, the little nod as you look kind of thing? Like, what you want, dog? What you want, dog, big dog? What you want? And then he came up and then we gunned it. We had fun. I didn't do anything. Again, director, producer, writer, screenwriter, dancer, but not in front of the camera. I'm dancing behind the camera. Broly is the one who does everything. This is actually very peaceful. We got Popstar playing by Draco Malfoy. Yo. Hey, Seiki, what up, girl? I was gonna say cuh, but I thought it was a female, so cuh girl. Then my mouth transitioned into a girl, and what came out was curl, you know, like curl. Shawty with the long text, we don't talk. Yo. Why are the cops pulling you over thinking you're selling drugs? Huh, Drake? Let's think about it. Let's digest. I was gonna say dissect, but then my brain thought of digress, and because of digress, I thought about that time when we had to like dissect stuff in school. So like my brain just got all muffled and something weird came out. Let's dissect it, Drake. Why do the cops think we're pulling you over because you're selling drugs? Could it be because of the songs you write? Talking about drug dealing. Like literally every lyric is either drug dealing or you stuffing some chick or the chick stuffing you. Could that be something? Are we on to something here? It's like these homies be talking and rapping about like killing people, and they're like, cops are pulling me over, you interrogating me about murders. Why is that? Like, homie, you literally talking about you shot a homie. and you cut his body up and, you know, served it on Thanksgiving to his family. Oh my Lord. Oh dear Lord, save me, for I have sinned. It took two cars for me to lose my cool and do what I just did. 2 cars. The Beamer just couldn't stop staring at me in the mirror. I was looking at him, he just staring at me. Shorty, buy me a drink. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then stare at me. Yeah. Oh, dude, why would you do that? I go Taliban on them hoes. What does that even mean? I don't know, but it's provocative. Provocative. Psyche, let me get up here, dog. Psyche, let me get up here, dog. Come on, dog. Let me pop out of here, dog. Let me pop out of here, don't we? Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Don't be a hoe like that. Open up. Oh, you gonna be a hoe like that. You won't open up. That dude's a little too excited to be in that car with that chick. This guy, too. What about him? Elon Musk, if she was a girl, and a soccer mom with a ponytail, driving whatever that is. Psyche, what up? That dude was looking right at me. Old ass head like that was looking at me, so I gave it to him. I acknowledged him. Alvin Draco Malfoy on his booty. I got girls talking different languages. Shit. I don't think that's what he says. But he says it now. R6. You know I gotta fuck with you, homie. You know I gotta fuck with you, homie. You know I gotta fuck with you, homie. He's making that thing scream. He was making it scream. A little love, little tushy time. He won that one. He got that one. I didn't think he'd make her scream like that. I didn't think he'd make her scream like that, but he did. I wanted to keep up with him, and then he just kept going and kept going and kept going. What up, cuh? You don't mind, right? That's some on up in this. So is that one guy? Yeah, it looks like that one guy, man. Yeah, that was good, homie. That was you. That was all you, homie. I could not keep up with you, homie. Bow down to you, dog. Passing was no fun. That time I didn't go all the way. That was all you, man. That was good. M6. Second time I gave it a little bit more gas to stay ahead of him, but all the other times, that was all him.